get you $100 off. Let's come with the tripod. You can do toolboxes. We got tool. You can choose from these tools. Make sure you're talking about green. Check this out. Some appliance deals. We got the 4th of July sale at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. So there's a lot of good deals, a lot of new grills, a lot of tools. Buy one, get one free. All sorts of deals for everybody, every situation out there. All right, so here on the left, we got a fan for $129. We got a drill driver, impact driver for $99, 1.5 amp hour battery. And there's a fan right there. We do have that blink camera system. I believe it's looks like 4 or 5 cameras, $404. That's a really, really good deal. All right, so $429, 40 volt, 20-inch upper pedal mower with 6 amp hour battery. These are pretty much a full-size mower, very powerful. That's a very, very good deal on this one. So $429 for this one. It says it includes a 6 amp hour battery, 45-minute runtime. So $39.97 for the fan, clamp fan, $303 down from $499 for the auger, 40 volt. It does come with battery and charger. Then we got $171 for the 17-inch Whisper Series trimmer, down from $329. So that's it right there. And then we got a blower string trimmer combo, $186 down from $399. All right, so they still got these. These are really, really good deals. Buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the two kits on the top, including a string trimmer, 60 volt, or the 2 8 amp hour batteries, get a free tool. All these tools are included with this deal. You got a pruner, you got a chainsaw, a battery. All right, so $199. They got the 4th of July savings on the HP Pet Stick Vacuum. This is a great value here. If you guys got these Ryobi batteries laying around, yeah, you can't stress this enough how important those batteries are. All right, so $24.88, 800 lumen detachable tripod lights. So just under $25 for a nice light. Let's come with the tripod. You can detach it up to 360-degree horizontal, 180 vertical, magnetic. So the whole 9 yards, 18-hour runtime on this, medium, high, and low, and flashing, of course. All right, so they got some appliance deals. Buy more, save more. So refrigerators, save up to $400. Cooking equipment, save up to $250. Dishwashers and so forth. So there's different pricings for different categories out there. And then they got the vacuums here. This is vacuums and like cleaners. So $239 for the Carpet Expert. All right, toolboxes. They got this beautiful toolbox with looks like a carbon fiber finish on the drawers. One of my favorites, 52-inch 10 drawer mobile workbench with the matte finish color. All right, so if you guys didn't know, they're running still these deals, these pack out deals, and you guys are able to hack these. If you weren't looking for a specific tool or a specific box or drawer, you guys are able to hack them. So $350 will get you $100 off. $250 will get you $50 off. So this is a buy more, save more. That is in every store. I will leave you guys those links down below in the description section for every tool that you see, every possible tool that I could get you a link with. So $31, and then these are on clearance. This is a 40 volt fan. These are the new vacuums. Yes, the old ones got clearanced out already, so they're already gone. $249, 6 amp hour or 6 gallon vacuum. I personally have that, very powerful. Buy one, give one free. You buy any of the tools on the top, you get a free tool at the bottom. All these do qualify for that, including the ratchet, the inflator, the fan, the soldering iron, the blower. All right, so these are on clearance. Not necessarily the lowest price, but be on the lookout. They might get lower. So $32 for the smaller one, $30 for the bigger one. I personally do have the bigger one. I'd rather have something bigger than the small, in case your drink doesn't fit or so forth. You want to put some extra ice. So $299 will get you a free tool. $549 will get you a free tool as well. So any of these tools on the bottom will qualify, including this rocket light. This rocket is big and heavy, but it is dual power. You can put an extension cord or battery on it. So this is the other kit that we did not see very close. So it does include a ratchet and a mid-torque impact wrench. This is the lowest kit you can buy for $199. This one will get you 2 batteries and a free tool. Now, not necessarily all the free tools you can choose from, but you can choose from these that you see here. Same thing with this. Buy one, get one free. So $179 will get you a free tool. You got 3 batteries charger. You can choose from these 2 batteries for free. or this blower. And I'll show you guys more tools in just a second here. But yeah, one valued at $149 for that blower. These are all the tools you guys could buy with this starter kit. You can buy the scrubber, the cleaner. That's great for the grills, for cleaning tires and so forth. So there's just different type of tools you guys could buy with this kit, including that vacuum, the stick vacuum, the fans, the handheld vacuums, the nailer, the inflator, angle grinder, the dual fans. So this is the kit for $199. They got it down to $179. So it's a really, really good deal. All right, on to the $99 one. So the $99 this bike kit, you do have to buy it for $99. We'll get you a free tool. You can choose from any of these, including the 2 clamp fans, the light, the handheld vacuum. Now the handheld vacuum is not going to be the most powerful, but it will get the job done for something small, like a dustbuster type of thing. You got the jigsaw, the dual function inflator deflator, the workshop blower, the random orbit sander. So most of these cheaper tools do qualify for this deal. And there's more on the other side. There's more like a drill, and here's a fan that you can hang up, if you got a baseball game or something. And changing some brakes or doing any type of mechanics work, you want to have these fans. And these are the other tools that you guys could choose with this deal, the buy one get one free. All right, this is a really, really nice shelf unit here, 48 inches, 48 by 24 in depth, 78 in height. All right, they got this one. This one's a new one. They come out in like a forest green matte finish. Now these are $199 down from $219, 4-tier industrial duty steel storage shelf. So, and they do have the matching totes, 27-gallon for $898. So it's the same color, the greenish type of forest green matte finish. So same as all right, so this is a really, really good deal. If you don't have these tools, make sure you guys pick one of these up. It does include a pack out, a battery, and a charger. Not all the stores do not have this. So $249. So if you see it, jump on it and get it. If not, then I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video so you guys can get this. It's actually a really good deal. But picture this, $100 a piece. That's how much you're paying for the tool, how much you're paying for the pack out. You're basically getting the battery and the charger for free, if you want to put it that way. All right, so you got 280 piece mechanics tool set for $99. It's actually a really, really good deal. You're getting 3 ratchets, wrenches, all sorts of sockets, L wrenches. So $378 for this one. Excuse my voice. Somehow I don't have a voice today. 52-inch adjustable workbench. Check out the color on this one. It's a matte finish, like a bluish, grayish. Does have gloss black on the handles. $498 for the matte cadet. That's what it's called, the cadet color, blue. So it's a really, really nice color. Again, it's matte finish. Same thing with the green one. You guys know I love these matte colors, especially this green one. $548 for the matte army green. Solid wood top. Nice handle. All right, talking about green, check this out. They got a brand new color for these toolboxes. Yes, these are giant toolboxes. These are the black toolboxes we used to see. Now they do come in green. So it's a medium mobile workbench or box, my bad. So this one's $79.98. There's nothing medium about that one. It's actually pretty large. So let's look at it right here. So you got some nice big latches here. Very heavy duty. You got some casters, some wheels, and big room on the end. Lots of room in the inside. You got some nice weather stripping. And then you got some handles. This is the big one. Yeah, the big one is giant. This thing, if it's filled up with tools, it's gonna be really heavy. So keep that in mind when you're buying something like this. But it makes a great permanent, like semi-permanent storage in your bed of the truck. So it does come with the key. You can pretty much drill a hole and just run a chain through the inside, or whatever you want to do, you can do it. All right, so toolboxes. We got some more toolboxes deals. All right, so they got matte finish. They got this black one. This one's probably pretty much the nicest one out of these 3. Not necessarily the cheapest, but it is the nicest. It is a matte black finish. There is the number. I will leave you guys that link because I don't know it by memory. I did not see a price on the tool, but I did see one on this one. This was the gloss black. This one is $698, 42-inch 12 drawer combo in black. So personally, I don't care about this color. This color, I mean, it's nice, easier to clean, but I personally prefer the matte finish. It just looks so nice. Like this one. This one's probably the best bang for your value. So I would definitely jump on this one if you can. They got this sale for $5.98. It is a 42-inch 12-drawer matte finish. It's one of the new ones. So obviously, it does come with that USB Type-C, so that's why it's one of the new ones. On the power strip, and then you got matte finish all the way around inside the toolbox. Probably the best bang for your buck compared to this one. Check this out. So if you want to put it on a quick comparison, this one's $349 plus what you're paying $150 for the top. You're pretty much paying the $598 already. You're getting a much better box. You're getting a much better color, more storage, and just a nicer box for just about the same price. So $149 for this one. This one is a subcompact. This is the new, not the new, well, the newest tools that they got. The subcompact from the Milwaukee, $149. They also do have the drill. So this is the kit right here for the subcompact tools. Not necessarily the fuel, but it's going to be a smaller tool. All right, so buy more, save more. As I was telling you guys about those Milwaukee pack out boxes, they still got those buy more, save more. All these boxes are included, including the drawers, the backpacks, all sorts of stuff. So mix and match. Make sure you guys get it to a $350 price, so you guys can get that $100 off. So that's a really, really good deal. All right, so on to these, the Ryobi. These are $199. It's a great value for somebody starting out first tools, maybe yourself that you're getting new into the tool system or the tool DIY type of stuff. This is a great value to get into. After this, you can move on to some better stuff, or you can just move on to some better stuff when you're starting off. So depending on what your budget is, this is a great value. Again, the fans, the lights, all sorts of stuff you can use these batteries on. I personally have my Ryobi batteries, and I do have my Milwaukee and the DeWalt's. So just different types of situations, including these. This is a great deal, 9 amp hour battery. You buy that starter kit, and then you get a free tool. Just you got these deals going on, so you can choose from any of these tools at the bottom to get those for free. Now this one is the kit that you have to buy. This is it does have a fast charger. It is a 9 amp hour battery for $299, and then you just qualify for that free tool. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great value on this. Guys, that's it for today for the 4th of July savings. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. You guys have a safe weekend out there. Stay safe and happy 4th. See you in the next one.